Hi guys, this is Layla, and I want you to go and check out those other videos.
Check out my brother's channel.
And check out my brother's channel. I hate him once also. So today we're going to be seeing the giant Orbey. Yeah, that's right. It's a clear one, quite dirty, quite shredding. It's not me on my jewel, but here it is. Giant Orbey. So this Orbey is called an oversized Orbey or giant Orbey. So I got it from school because I was being good the whole weekend. I wasn't getting involved in the girls' garbage. So yeah, and I have a little magic trick that I want to show you. So see the Orbey? See the Orbey? And now you don't. It's gone. And then you don't see the Orbey. And now you do. Ta-da! So it's a magic trick that I made. I'll tell you the secret. So you go like this, and then you drop the Orbey down. It's quite bouncy. Look. It just broke. Oh, into little pieces. Oh my god. I will show you.